We respectfully ask COA to conduct a careful law-by-law review and provide concrete recommendations on how earmarked revenues should be recognized, safeguarded, and reported under the TSA and One Fund concept. So we recognize the Treasury Single Account Framework and the Department of Finance's position that cash is fungible and many balances are reflected as ledger entries. However, Congress enacted earmarking provisions precisely to ensure that specific revenues remain intact and available for the programs the law designates. The intent is not merely accounting separation, but real, enforceable availability of cash when those programs require it. We also understand the One Fund concept, which pools cash to optimize borrowing. That said, the presidential decree establishing the One Fund concept has not been amended to expressly subsume earmarked revenues or to embed the transparency and accountability safe. The core concern is practical. Kung kailangan na, nandyan pa ba talaga ang cash? Is it enough to say funds can be drawn when needed if, in reality, the pooled cash is insufficient at the moment of obligation or disbursement? We respectfully ask COA to conduct a careful law-by-law review and provide concrete recommendations on how earmarked revenues should be recognized, safeguarded, and reported under the TSA and One Fund concept. We request that COA prioritize this and submit near-term guidance and timelines so we can prevent any repeat of past fund integrity failures in other institutions.
Commits to study how this earmarks fund and its mechanism that the money intended really for the purpose should go to that certain agency or recipient. So what the COA can commit now is to study that matter and submit recommendation for its implementation. COA commits its best to submit within the year, no? On or before December 31, 2025.
Will you please update our office about the guidelines?
Yeah.
Kung ano yung progression ng pag-aaral po natin. Thank you very much, distinguished sponsor, Madam Speaker. Thank you very much to the COA family.